अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कैफ़ नस्तफ़ीद रमज़ान। हम रमज़ानुल मुबारक से फ़ायदा किस तरह उठा सकते हैं? आखिर एक मुसलमान का रमज़ान किस तरह का होना चाहिए? उसको रमज़ानुल मुबारक के अंदर क्या क्या काम करने चाहिए?
How can a person seek knowledge during the blessed month of Ramadan?
Seeking knowledge is a very good act, especially in the month of Ramadan. There are various ways a person can seek knowledge. Besides reciting the Quran, which is recommended thing during Ramadan, a person should even read the translation of the Quran. He should read the book of Hadith. And as far as possible, he should read the books which are Sahih, the books of authentic Hadith. The best is the Kutub al-Sitta. If you can read that, that's nothing like it. That is Bukhari, Muslim, Sunan Tirmidhi, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Nisai, Ibn Majah. These Kutub al-Sitta are the best. If time doesn't permit, at least he should read the Sahih books of Hadith, that is the Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. If time doesn't permit, at least he should read the summarized version of Sahih Muslim, or the summarized version of Sahih Bukhari, or at least read the Muttafiq Alaik, the hadiths which are common between Bukhari and Muslim. He can read the book of the Seerah of the Prophet. And the best book on the Seerah of the Prophet in English language is Naik al-Maktoum, the sealed nectar, which speaks about the biography of the Prophet. The other book on the Seerah of the Prophet is the book of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by Taya al-Ismail. Even that's a good book. A person can acquire knowledge by attending programs. He can go to an Islamic organization, attend lectures, attend seminars. This will increase his knowledge. He can watch video cassettes of Islamic lectures, of Islamic programs. He can hear audio cassettes. He can go on the internet, go to Islamic websites, go to authentic Islamic websites. So these are ways in which a person can acquire knowledge, and this is a good way of spending your time during the month of Ramadan, acquiring knowledge, and surely you will be benefited and you will get a great deal of reward.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
All of the
तो इसके जवाब में डॉक्टर ज़ाकिर नाइक साहब फरमाते हैं कि बंदे एक मुसलमान को रमज़ानुल मुबारक के अंदर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुरान को पढ़ना चाहिए और अहादीस को पढ़ना चाहिए, सही बुखारी को पढ़ना चाहिए, सही मुस्लिम को पढ़ना चाहिए, और सीरतुन नबी पर जो कुतब हैं उनका मुताला करना चाहिए। क्योंकि जो बंदा कुरान का एक हरफ पढ़ता है, अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त उसको एक हरफ के बदले 10 नेकियां अता करते हैं। रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का फरमान है, आप फरमाते हैं अलिफ लाम मीम, मैं ये नहीं कहता कि ये एक हरफ है बल्कि ये 3 हरफ हैं। जब बंदा अलिफ लाम मीम पढ़ता है तो इसके बदले अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त उसको 30 नेकियां अता करते हैं।